In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Chrome. If you want more control over how websites download files to your computer, this setting is definitely worth knowing. Automatic downloads in Chrome refer to situations where a website tries to download multiple files one after another. Depending on your preference, you can either block that behavior or allow sites to ask for permission first. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu icon. This opens Chrome's main menu where you'll find several browser options. From that list, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, go to the left-hand panel and click Privacy and Security. This section contains many of Chrome's safety and permissions controls, so if you're ever trying to manage how websites interact with your browser, this is usually the right place to look. Once you're in Privacy and Security, click Site Settings. Now you'll be on the page where Chrome lets you manage permissions for websites, including things like notifications, location access, pop-ups, and downloads. Scroll down until you see additional permissions, then click it to expand the list. This reveals a few extra controls that aren't shown right away. From there, click Automatic Downloads. This is the specific setting that controls whether websites can try to download multiple files automatically. At this point, you can choose the option that matches what you want. If you want to disable automatic downloads, select Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. This is the better choice if you want stricter control and would rather prevent websites from sending multiple downloads without your approval. If you want to enable the feature, select Sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. With this option turned on, Chrome won't just allow everything silently. Instead, sites can request permission, which gives you a balance between convenience and security. That's all there is to it. Once you choose your preferred setting, Chrome saves the change automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same automatic download section and switch the setting again in just a few seconds. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how much control you have over file downloads in Chrome.